A very good morning from Khandwala Securities Limited and welcome to Thursday's trading action at Dalal Street dated June 16th, 2022. The numbers are in and the verdict is out. First, the numbers. The policy rating FOMC raised policy rates by 75 basis points to 1.5 to 1.75% as expected. The Fed now sees PCE inflation ending 2022 at 5.2%, up from 4.3% in March. The Fed said it sees US real GDP growth at 1.7% in 2022, down from 2.8% in its March forecast. The verdict: US stocks initially slipped, pared their gains, but later Federal Reserve Chief Jerome Powell poured dovish waters over Fed's hawkish statement. Jerome Powell said that the worst mistake would be to fail in bringing inflation down. SGX Nifty and US stocks jumped higher as Federal Reserve commits to fight inflation. Long story short, a super bullish gap up opening on cards at Dalal Street. Technically, bears can win only if Nifty closes below its biggest intraday support at 15,611 mark. Confirmation of strength only above Nifty 16,157 mark. Now before we get into details, here is the preferred trade on Nifty and Bank Nifty. Nifty closing price 15,692, buy at current market price, strict stop at 15,497, targets 15,901 and then 16,157, aggressive targets at 16,311 mark. Bank Nifty closing price 33,339, buy at current market price, strict stop at 32,611, targets 33,901 and then at 34,330, aggressive targets at 35,000 mark. The Nifty options data for June series suggests Nifty is likely to be in a trading range of 15,500 to 16,700 zone. Maximum call open interest is at 17,000 followed by 16,500 strike price. So 17,000 mark would be Nifty's crucial resistance zone. Maximum put open interest stands at 15,500 levels followed by 15,000 levels. Call writing was seen at 15,700 and then at 15,800 strike price, while there was meaningful put writing at 15,700 and then at 15,500 strike price. Helping sentiments are the WTI crude futures, which slipped to $117 per barrel mark, moving further away from its weekly highs of $123.7 per barrel as investors reacted to a bearish report from IEA pointing to slowing demand and rising output. Our call of the day suggests the street should take positively the fact that the Federal Reserve made its biggest inflation fighting move in nearly 30 years, raising interest rates by 3/4 of a percentage point. That said, upside is likely to be capped amidst headwinds like FIs have been net sellers for the 8th consecutive month. FIs have been net sellers for 8 consecutive month, net offloading more than Rs 3.45 lakh crore since October 2021. The net outflow by FIs from equities has reached Rs 1.81 lakh crore so far in 2022. In the June month so far, FIs have net sold shares worth Rs 31,012 crores. In yesterday's trade too, FIs sold shares worth Rs 3,531 crores. Mumbai on Wednesday reported 2,293 COVID-19 new cases, the highest daily counts in January 23. That's high in almost 5 months. Outlook for Thursday: positive start, volatile session likely. That's all we have for now. For any queries, do contact us at 022-4076-7373 and do visit our website www.kslindia.com. Thank you and have a profitable day. Please note that the stocks mentioned in this podcast are only for educational purpose. Khandwala Securities Limited or any of its employees shall not be held responsible for any investment or trading action undertaken by any person based on the stocks mentioned in this podcast.